So the question is, does USCIS check tax returns? And let me give you a way to think about this. So is USCIS connected to IRS and they're sharing data between each other? Right now, the answer is no. And so if the question being asked is, I'm supplying this tax return, and so will they go and check with the IRS? The answer is no. Now that being said, don't try to do anything funny. Don't try to do anything illegal, because it typically comes back to backfire, and it could put you in a whole different circumstance and in a lot tougher of conditions, and it could downright have you expelled, or not be able to get an immigration benefit in the country, and so it could make you inadmissible, what's called. And so, but they do check tax returns in the sense that they would need you to supply your tax return or transcripts or tax transcripts, which is a better way to send them any IRS related, income related information and what you filed. But that depends on the type of case. Okay, so if you're up for citizenship, they do want to see that you've been filing taxes in the last few years. If you need a sponsor, again, they do need to see, tax returns are a very useful mechanism. If you don't have tax returns, then you can show other proofs of income, such as W-2s, 1098s, assets in the bank account. So it's not always necessary that they check tax returns, by the way. It really varies on a case-by-case basis. But that gives you a general sense for what they do about tax returns.